Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself, Dr. Hilary. I'm pursuing my master's in prosthetic dentistry, and today's video topic is how to make a resume. So this video is going to be super duper useful for all of you, whether you are in first year of BDS or you are an intern. It is very much must for you to know that how to make your resume. Share quickly few tips with you, a few of the commonly done mistakes with you, and also I will show you step by step that how to make your resume, which application to use. So stay tuned with me. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing it. Okay, so first thing is you have to make your professional email address, okay, which consists of Dr. Hilary Mori whatever @gmail.com or whichever you want. So you should have your professional email address. It shows more professionalism when you write it into your resume. Okay, do not just use any of your email address which you have made maybe years before and now you are writing it into your resume. It gives a very bad impression. And the second thing is you should have your professional photograph with the apron. Now, many of you must be confused that, okay, when we try to make a resume, we don't know what to fill into it, what to write into it, okay. If I have not done any other extracurricular activities, I have not presented any paper, posters during my BDS life, then what to write into it? Like a display marks? Or a neat rank, what? So here I'm giving you a exact format, okay. Follow that format and you will be good to go. So let's move on to my screen.
So first we'll open our Google browser and in that we'll search for Canva. It's an amazing tool whether you want to create a visiting card or you want to create a resume or any other creative stuff. It's an amazing application, you will see. So let's search for a resume in the search bar, okay, and it will show us different kind of templates. So here is a resume. And you can see multiple kind of templates, okay. One more tip over here is do not make it very fancy, okay. Keep it very simple and minimal, and I would always suggest and prefer that my photo should be there in my resume because it shows your personality in some way. I have already prepared my resume over here to show you guys, so here it is. Okay, as you can see I have kept my professional photograph. Okay, obviously you'll write your name first and beside your name your registration number. Okay, if you have, you should mention your registration number, and below that write few things about yourself, your nature, whatever you like about dentistry or you want in dentistry. Then the other section could be contact me, where you will mention your mobile email address. If you have any website or your social media page related to dentistry, then you can obviously mention it over here. Then comes the academic history. Here you have to write it in descending order, okay, like your BDS degree first, and then you will write about your high school and higher secondary education. Also mention your NEET MDS rank if you have appeared into it. Then comes the work experience part, okay. If you are a fresh graduate, if you have just completed your internship, then what you will write about whatever work you have done in all the departments in detail, okay. As I have mentioned in procedures performed confidently, you can write those things into your internship experience. And if you have conducted or been part of any camps in rural area or so, then of course you should mention it over here. Do not forget to mention anything which you have done related to your internship or your work at other dentist clinic. You might have been as an associate or something, so that also don't forget to mention it. And one section you can keep it for your achievements and awards. If any awards you have won during your BTS career or attended any conference or a CD program, then don't forget to mention it. And lastly, the languages which you can speak very confidently.
Thanks for watching and stick to my channel for more amazing content and more amazing information.